As we left our location and hit the road towards Alexandria, I could already feel the shift in energy. The city slowly faded behind us and was replaced by more peaceful, scenic views. The roads were smooth, the weather was perfect, sunny with a little breeze, and I was just soaking in the excitement of what was ahead. One thing I loved about this road trip was how beautiful and calming the journey felt. We passed by coastal stretches, palm trees, and buildings with that Egyptian charm, warm tones, old and rich with history. The drive wasn't too long, but just too long enough to give me that peaceful feeling of being on a getaway. No rush, no stress, just me, the road, and the joy of a new experience waiting. Driving into Alexandria felt like entering a whole different world. The air was fresher, the surroundings were so calm, and there was just something about being near the water that instantly made me feel relaxed. And then we arrived at Helnan Palestine Hotel. It sits right from the Mediterranean Sea, surrounded by beautiful gardens and a wide open view of the coast. The entrance felt grand yet peaceful, a place where you're about to truly unwind. I think there's something so special about road trips. It's not just about the destination, but the journey itself. That's quiet time to think, to look out the window and just breathe, especially when you're not driving. This one felt like a soft reset for me. I needed it, and I knew the moment we pulled into Helnan, Palestine, that I made the right choice. Once we checked in, the first thing I did was head straight to the room. And wow, just wow. The bedroom was super cozy, clean and elegant. The bed felt like a cloud and the natural lighting was perfect for a relaxing stay. The bathroom was spotless and came with everything I needed. But my favorite parts, the balcony. The view from the balcony was stunning. Guys, when I mean stunning, you'll be seeing it for yourself. When I mean stunning, I mean stunning. You could see the blue of the Mediterranean Sea and hear the soft waves. It was just peaceful, beautiful and relaxing. So if you ever find yourself in Alexandria and you are looking for somewhere elegant, peaceful and close to the sea, Helnan Palestine Hotel really gives that luxurious home away from home experience. Later that afternoon, I headed to the poolside. It was calm, quiet, and gave me the perfect time to unwind. I just sat back, dipped my feet in the water, and sipped something cold and enjoyed the Egyptian sun. The next morning, we went down to the hotel's restaurants for their buffet breakfast. The options were plenty, from fresh fruits, juices, and warm bread to eggs, grilled veggies, and even pastries. Everything tasted fresh and filling. If you are someone who loves to start the breakfast with a good meal, their breakfast setup won't disappoint. Trust me, it slaps. In the evening, we decided to step out to explore and grab dinner at a nearby restaurant. I've forgotten the name, but let me tell you, the food tasted just like Ghana. We found this quiet little restaurant tucked away, nothing too fancy, but the vibe warm, welcoming, and then the aroma hit me. That rich, familiar smell of spices, grilled meat, and fried goodness. I didn't even know what was on the menu yet, but my heart just said, this is it. My in-law ordered with curiosity, and we didn't see Ghanaian food written anywhere, but the minute that plate landed, I felt something. The way the rice looked, the seasonings, the steam. I was already in love before the first bite. Guys, the taste, it wasn't Ghanaian by name, but it tasted like home. The kind of food that reminds you of Sunday afternoons, home kitchens, and aunties who don't play when it comes to seasoning. I was actually shocked. It was the flavor, the comfort, the balance, so unexpected, but so deeply satisfying. Every bite felt like a hug from Ghana. It brought back memories, and I'm not even sure how. I didn't find Ghanaian food as at that time, but I found food that felt Ghanaian, and that to me was even more beautiful. Finding home in a place where I never expected. That's what travel is about. So if you are ever far from home and missing that familiar taste, don't be afraid to try something new. You just might find your roots in the most surprising places. After dinner, we headed back to the hotel to rest and prepare for the next day. Helnan Palestine is a peaceful place to stay, especially if you love ocean views, quiet environment, and just being in your soft girl era. Thanks for coming along on this trip with me. Let me know in the comment section if you'd visit Egypt or if you ever found a taste of home in a totally different country. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.